Welcome back to another episode of Modded Motors. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I posted yesterday on Instagram if I should make content today, or really yesterday, and you guys said yes. I ended up burning the day, but I'm gonna make a small video just to make some content because obviously I have more mods coming for the Stelvio, and I haven't really touched the Stelvio in a minute, and I need to get back into it. It's gonna be a short video today. So one of the main problems with this car when I first got it, it was not really a problem. I actually had to open all my doors to figure out which one it was. It might be hard to see, but one of these door sills were bent, and I tried to buy a replacement for the door sill, and then I found this guy on eBay selling these door sills that I'm going to show you just in a second. He's all the way from Poland. I paid $60 for them, and I just think that they're a better alternative for the Stelvio. I wanted to show you guys a product and do a little install on. Actually, I've never installed door sills on this. I know for those, they like the whole panel comes out, but I don't know how this is. I think that's just 3M tape, but we'll go ahead and see. This is all the way from Poland. I think they retail right now for $100. I ended up getting them for 60 bucks. And honestly, I bought this back in January, end of January, and I just haven't put them on my car yet. So this is how they look. They're made with real carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can see it. Those are the small ones. Here are the big ones. So anyways, here's the before for you guys. Wow, this is bent. It just really annoyed me ever since I got it. And so it's supposed to replace with this, which I think looks just a little bit cleaner. Let's see here. I am going to leave you guys right there. Hopefully that is a decent camera angle. And those are just held on by 3M tape, which is what I figured. If you're a Giulia owner and you're watching this, one, I greatly appreciate you. The fact that you guys have been showing support on so many of our videos truly does mean a lot to us. Specifically me. The last 20 videos I think that we've posted, you guys have crossed this over 1,000 views on every single one, which is a huge achievement for us. So again, can't say thank you enough. So this is the old one. I probably should bend it back, huh? For just something that's 3M tape, these are, I forget what the original price is. It's kind of expensive. $60 for this cool little replacement. It's really nice. You guys can tell me what you think. Still says Alfa Romeo very nice in the Alfa Romeo font. Has carbon, has the Italian colors. I don't know, may not be for everybody, but this is for sure a product that I wanted to use because I had to get rid of that thing. I have no idea what the title is. Somehow this still ended up like 21 minutes of film. I'm gonna have to cut it down to like 4 or 5 minutes. Just wanted to say, as you guys can clearly tell from the channel, we love supporting small businesses, and this is gonna be just that. We did pay for this out of our own pocket, if you will, or really, I guess, your monetization money. It was, again, only $60. There is a ton of stuff, as I said, on their website that you guys can go check out. Go support small businesses in the Alfa Romeo space because it goes a long way. And as always, you can always shop moddedwear.com to go see more cool mods like this. One of the things that I love more than my Alphas and more than cars is being a father and raising my son and my soon-to-be next child. So I'm not going to spend too much time recording today. We're going to shut the camera off and we are going to go spend time as a family together. To all the dads out there that are just involved in their children's lives and being good role models, shout out to you guys. You guys make the difference. This day means a lot to me because I've wanted to be a father for a really long time, and now I get to be that too. So we're gonna close it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this small little video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
gross.